20 must-know English questions for hospitals, easy English for beginners.
Where is the hospital? The hospital is next to the library.
Who is your doctor? My doctor is Dr. Smith.
What time is your appointment? My appointment is at 10 a.m.
Is George feeling sick? Yes, George has a fever.
Why is Annabelle at the hospital? She has a headache.
Who helped you at the hospital? A kind nurse helped me.
Did you see the doctor today? Yes, I saw the doctor this morning.
What did the doctor say? The doctor said I need rest.
Is the hospital open on Sundays? No, it is closed on Sundays.
What does a nurse do? A nurse takes care of patients.
How does George feel now? He feels much better.
What medicine did the doctor give you? She gave me cough syrup.
Where is the emergency room? The emergency room is on the first floor.
Is Annabelle a nurse or a doctor? Annabelle is a nurse.
What do you do at the hospital? I see my doctor and get medicine.
Do you need a blood test? Yes, I need a blood test tomorrow.
Who works at the hospital? Doctors, nurses, and other staff work there.
What should I bring to my appointment? Bring your ID and health card.
Is George afraid of injections? Yes, he is very afraid.
Do you want to see a specialist? Yes, I need to see a heart specialist.
Fun with Hobbies. Learn simple English sentences for beginners. Emma enjoys reading books in Central Park. James plays football every weekend in London. Olivia loves to draw animals and nature scenes. Ethan goes hiking in the Rockies every summer. Sophia collects stamps from different countries. Mason likes to play the guitar at home. Isabella rides her bicycle around Sydney. Liam watches movies with his friends on Fridays. Mia goes swimming at Bondi Beach. Noah plays chess with his grandfather. Ava bakes cakes and cookies on Sundays. Jacob takes photographs of historic buildings in Boston. Emily practices yoga in her backyard. Daniel fishes at Lake Michigan during his holidays. Grace learns to dance salsa in Miami. Benjamin gardens in his small plot in the countryside. Lily loves birdwatching in the English countryside. Alexander writes poems about his travels. Charlotte knits sweaters for her family during winter. Jack explores museums in Washington, D.C.
Easy English conversation, cooking recipe chat. Hi Annabelle. How are you today?
Hi George. I'm good, thank you. How about you?
I'm doing well. I was thinking about trying a new recipe today. Do you like cooking?
Yes, I love cooking. What recipe are you thinking of?
I want to make a simple pasta dish. Do you have any good recipes for pasta?
Yes, I do. How about we make spaghetti with tomato sauce?
That sounds perfect. What ingredients do we need?
We need spaghetti, tomatoes, garlic, olive oil, basil, salt, and pepper.
Great! I have all those ingredients. What's the first step?
First, we need to boil the spaghetti. Fill a large pot with water and add a little salt.
Okay, I'll do that. How long should I boil the spaghetti?
Boil it for about 8 to 10 minutes, or until it's al dente. Meanwhile, let's make the sauce.
Sounds good. How do we make the sauce?
Heat some olive oil in a pan. Then add chopped garlic and sauté until it's golden brown.
I love the smell of garlic cooking. What's next?
Next, add the chopped tomatoes. Cook them until they are soft and form a sauce.
Should I add any spices?
Yes, add some salt, pepper, and a few basil leaves for flavor.
This is starting to smell really good. How long do we cook the sauce?
Let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. By then, the spaghetti should be ready.
The spaghetti is done. Should I drain it?
Yes, drain the spaghetti and then add it to the sauce. Mix everything well.
Wow, this looks delicious. Anything else we need to do?
No, that's it. Just serve it on a plate and enjoy your meal.
Thank you so much for the recipe, Annabelle. I can't wait to try it.
You're welcome, George. Enjoy your cooking.
I will. Have a great day.
You too, George.
A boat adventure, simple English conversation between Cedric and Jessica. Hey Jessica, how are you today?
Hi, Cedric. I'm doing well, thanks. How about you?
I'm great. Did you hear about my new boat?
Your new boat? No, I didn't. Tell me more.
It's a beautiful, big yacht. I just got it last week.
Wow, that sounds amazing. What color is it?
It's white with blue stripes. It looks great on the water.
I bet it does. Have you taken it out to sea yet?
Yes, I went on a short trip last weekend. It was so peaceful.
That sounds lovely. How big is the boat?
It's quite big. It can comfortably fit 10 people.
10 people? That's really big. Do you plan to go on more trips?
Definitely. I'm actually planning a trip this weekend. Would you like to come?
Oh, I'd love to. What should I bring?
Just some casual clothes and maybe a hat. I'll take care of the food and drinks.
Great. What time are we leaving?
Let's meet at the marina at 9 a.m. on Saturday.
Perfect. I'm really looking forward to it. Thanks for inviting me.
Of course, it's going to be fun. I can't wait to show you the yacht.
Me too. I've never been on a yacht before.
You're going to love it. It's so relaxing to be out on the water.
I can imagine. I'll see you on Saturday then.
Yes, see you then. Have a great week, Jessica.
You too, Cedric. Bye.